Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the deep femoral vein. This vein is also known as the profunda femoris vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The deep femoral vein is located in the upper leg region of each leg. If we look more closely at the veins from the anterior view of the right upper leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. If we also look more closely at the veins from the posterior view of the right upper leg, we can again see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood from the inner thigh. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs superior-medially up the inner thigh. This vein ends by uniting with and draining into the femoral vein. The femoral vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein's main function is in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the inner thigh to the femoral vein as it makes its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the deep femoral vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.